have discussed the probability permutation kind of applications, and number system is also one kind of arrangements. Number system is also one kind of arrangements in permutations. So permutations, the number system is also one kind of application, we can say. For example, they will mention 1 2 3 4 digits. So how many 4 digits can be found by using these digits 1 2 3 4? So we need to either use the repetition is allowed method and repetition is not allowed method. For example, if they have given the word numbers 1 2 3 4, how many 4 digits can be possible by using 1 2 3 4? When the repetition is allowed, one condition, repetition is not allowed, one another conditions. So these kind of problems will be asked in number system. So let's see. So the first question, how many 4 digits numbers can be arranged by using 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 with repetition? Nothing but repetition. When you have seen the what could be the meaning? Nothing but, for example, by using 1 2 3 4, let's say you have formed one number as 1 3 4, and we can form 1 3 4 2 or 1 3 4 4 2, this kind of. So let's see 1 4 3 1 4 3 2, like that we can form n numbers. For example, repetition is not allowed means the number digit should not be repeat any of the digits. For example, 1 1 2 4, nothing but 1 is repeating twice, so we can describe as this is a repetition condition. For example, 1 2 3 4 is a number, so there is no number is repeating, so here the repetition is not allowed. Nothing but the digit should not be allowed again and again. That is called repetition is allowed and repetition is not allowed condition. So first take the numbers. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. So we need to form 4 digit we need to form with repetition is allowed. So repetition is allowed, this is the condition. Repetition is allowed is nothing but I can use a digit of number more than once. So I can use 1 as a 2 times. I can use like for example 4 digit number 4311. Let's see, this is the 4 digit number. I can use 1 as 2 times, I can use 4 times. There is no repetition condition. So repetition allowed is nothing but we can use a digit of number more than 1 times. So what could be the possibility? I can make this position as a 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. I can use this position as any kind of digit. So how many ways? 7 ways. Again, for this position I can use 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 kind of numbers I can use for this position, because repetition is allowed. I can use for example in initial position, if I use a 2, I can use again 2. There is no condition because the repetition is allowed. Again 7 ways. For this position again there is a possibility of 1 2 3 up to 7. So 7 numbers, again 7 numbers. Here repetition is allowed, so I can use the number of digit with repetition again and again. Multiply 7 into 7 into 7 into 7. Think about 7 sevens are 49. Again 7 sevens are 49. So 49 into 49 is nothing but 81. 36, nothing but 44. 36, again 4 4s are 16, 19. So 1 10 14 1, nothing but 2401. 2401. So this is our answer. Again, second question. Using 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, how many number of ways can be formed 4 digit number without repetition of a digit? So first see the condition. The digit should not be repeat again and again. For example, if you use a number one time, same number, it should not be repeat again and again. So this is the condition. First take the letters 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So these are the number of digits. I need to form 4 digit number. Okay. So what could be the possibility for this position? I can use 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 here for this position. So 7 possibilities. Let's say I have used the third digit initially, block that one because that number should not be repeat. So without repetition the condition, so block that one. Again, what could be the possibilities of the position for this one? I can use 1 2 4 5 6 7. So how many numbers? 1 2 3 4 5 6 digit I can use. Let's say I have taken the 5, block that one because the repetition is not allowed here without repetition. Again, for this position, how many digits I can utilize? 1 2 3 4 5. 5 digit I can utilize. Let's say block this one, any number. Again, 1 2 this 3 4 4 digits I can utilize for one position, nothing but 4. So multiply finally is equals to 7 into 6 into 5 into 4. So this is my answer. So if you calculate finally, you will get around 840 is the answer. Again, third question, 1 2 3 4. Okay, are the digits. How many number of 4 digit number can be formed without repetition? So 4 digit without repetition. First see the condition. So without repetition, so repetition is not allowed. Repetition is not allowed, nothing but we should not use a digit twice. Repetition is not allowed, nothing but first. So what could be the possibilities for this position? I can take 1 3 1 2 3 4. I can take 4 numbers, nothing but 4 digit I can take. Let's say 4 possibilities. Let's block 1 because the number should not be repeat again and again. Any number you can block. Again, 1 2 3. This for this position I can take any of 3 1 3 4. 3 possibilities, nothing but 3. Block any number 3. Okay. Again, for this position there is a possibilities will be 2. Block any number. Again 1 remaining. So multiply 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, nothing but 4 is the 12 into 2, nothing but 24 is my answer. Again, this is small different comparing with previous. Using 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, how many number of ways the 4 digit odd number without repetition? So this time we need to form odd number without repetition. First take the digits 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Again, we need to form 4 digit number. Take 4 positions. And what could be the number? Odd number. So odd number is nothing but, for example, when we can call an odd number, nothing but when we divide the number with 2, the remainder is nothing but 1. So what could be the possibilities? Nothing but for odd number from among 1 to 7, if the last digit is 1, we can say that it's odd number. The last digit is 3, we can say the number is odd number. Again, last digit is 5, we can say the number is odd number. 7, odd number. So these are odd numbers, right? 1 3 5 7. When the unit positions have the 1 3 5 7 among them, then we can consider the 4 digit number as an odd number. So how much possibilities is there? 1 3 5 7. For unit position there is 4 possibilities will be available. Let's say I have utilized 1. Let's say I have utilized 1, block that one because they're without repetition. We should not use a number again and again. Let's block one number. Let's block 1 here. Again, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, nothing but 1 2 3 4 5 6 number possibilities. I can fill this position as a 6 waves. Let's say I have blocked the number 2 again. Again, what would be the possibilities for this position? Remaining digits will be 1 3 4 5 6 7, nothing but count the numbers 1 2 3 4 5 possibilities. Let's say block any number, let's say 3. Again, what could be the possibilities for this position? 1 4 5 6 7. So nothing but 4 digits, nothing but 4. Multiply. So 6 into 5 into 4 into 4. 6 5s are 30. Again 16. So 480 is my answer. The only thing we need to remember, odd number is nothing but possibilities. We need to take the number of ways and block one number. Let's say 1. Again, we need to go like that. So fifth question, how many 4-digit numbers can be found by using the digits 0, 1, 2, 5 and 6 if the repetition of the digits are allowed? So this, whenever you have included 0 as a digits, we need to handle a little careful. So if the repetition of the digit is allowed, nothing but here the repetition is allowed. So first take the digits 0, 1, 2, 5, 6. We need to form 4-digit number. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4-digit number we need to form. So whenever you have seen that 0 as included for initially, we should not blindly take. For example, 0, 1, 2, 5, 6 are the initial digits. So I need to form 4-digit number. What could be the possibilities for this one? I cannot make a 4-digit number as 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 5, 6, 2. I cannot make 100th position as a 0 position. So for this position, I can use 1, 2, 5, 6, but I cannot make a number with initially 0, 1, 2, 3, right? For example, if I want to make a 4-digit number, I can make 1, 2, 3, 4 as 4, 3, 1, 2 like that, but initial digit should not be 0. For the condition of the any kind of number, we should not start with 0. So what could be the possibilities for this position? 1 is possible, 2 is possible, 5 is possible, 6 is possible. So I can take 4 here itself. Again, the repetition is allowed. Okay, for this position I can take any number 0, 1, 2, 5, 6 because there is no condition of repetition is not allowed. Because there is a condition of repetition is allowed, I can take any number of repetition of a digit. For these possibilities, I can take 0, I can take 1, I can take 2, I can take 5, I can take 6. So how many possibilities? 5 possibilities. Again, for this position I can take 0, 1, 2, 5, 6, 5 positions. For this position I can take 5 positions. The only trick for this problem, nothing but initial digit should not be start with 0. Nothing but we cannot start a number of 4-digit number like 5, 0, 5, 1, 2. We cannot take because 0 we cannot take, right? That's the only thing we need to remember here. The possibilities will be 4. So we have taken 4. So the answer will be 4 into 5 into 5 into 5. That's it. Sixth question. How many 4-digit even number, this time even number, can be formed by using the digit 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 if the repetition of the digit is allowed? The repetition of the digit is allowed. So whenever you have seen 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and we need to form 4-digit even number. So 4-digit even number. So how can we call a number as even number? The unit position either it has 0, 2, 4, nothing but among this 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. How can the number ending with, for example, 2220, we can call it even number. 2412, we can call even number. Like 2003, 2314, nothing but we can call even number. Nothing but the ending digit should be 0, 2, 4 by using these digits I am talking about. So possibilities for 0, 2, 4. And remember, whenever you want to form a unit digit 0, then try to divide this as a 2 cases. Nothing but 0 is a 1 set and again 2 and 4 as a 1 set. Why we need to divide these 2 sets? Because initial digit we cannot start with 0, right? So if you take unit position as a 0 and unit starting digit as a 0, there is a coincidence will be available. So we cannot get a possible number of appropriate ways. So how can we can handle this kind of scenarios? First try to divide unit position as a 0 as a 1 case and 2 and 4 as a 1 case. Let's see. Example, take the digits which they have given 1, 2, 3, 4 and we need to form a 4-digit. So R 0 is 1 case, nothing but ending is 0. Let's say ending is 0. R 4-digit ending is, let's say ending is 0 here. Our ending is 2 and 4. So ending 0 to 4 we can call it as a even numbers. So when we can call even number, nothing but ending with 0 to 4. Take 0 as one case and 2 and 4 as one case. Okay, yes. So 0 is fixed ending. So how many ways possibilities for ending? Nothing but 0. Take only one way. Okay, repetition is allowed, but we can we take 0 is here? No, there is no possibilities, because any number should not start with 0. So 1 is possible, 2 is possible, 3 is possible, 4 is possible. So how many number of ways? 4 ways. Again, the repetition is allowed, right? I can take any number of repetition of again and again. So 1 2 3 4 5. So what could be the possibilities for this position? I can take 0 1 2 3 4, because the repetition is allowed, right? I can take n number of repetitions. So 5 possibilities. Again for this one also 5 possibilities. Go this area. 2 and 4 is ending digits. So how many ways can be possible? 2 and 4? Only 2 ways, because 2 and 4 will be ending. Okay, initial position, what could be the possibilities for this one? Except 0, I can take 1 2 3 4, because a number should not start with 0. 4 possibilities. Again here I can take 0 1 2 3 4, because repetition is allowed. 5 ways. Again is also 5 ways. Multiply 4 into 5 into 5 into 1, or one condition 4 into 5 into 5 into 2. So 4 5 is a 20, 20 into 5 is a 100, or 4 5 is a 20, 20 into 10, nothing but 200. So R condition. So nothing but this is one case and this is another case we are talking about. So R condition. R is nothing but add. So 100 plus 200. Finally 300 ways. That's it. The only one thing you need to remember, even number we need to form. So possibilities will be ending unit digit will be 0 and 2 and 4. Take two cases as 0 as one case and 2 and 4 is one other case. And the seventh question, how many 4-digit even numbers can be formed by using the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 where the repetition is not allowed? Here the condition, repetition is not allowed. Nothing but we should not use a number second time. So take the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and again we need to form 4-digit. Okay, even number. When we can call even number, the unit positions either from using this digit, either 0 to 4. Okay, 0 and 2 and 4 is like 0 is including in this case. So whenever 0 is including, divide the problem as a two cases, case 1 and case 2, then solve. So case 1, how to? Case 1, 4-digit ending with 0. Let's say this is one case, or 4-digit ending with 2 and 4. This is another case. By 0, only ending with 0, possibilities will be 1. Again we have used 0 here itself. For 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 we have used 0 itself, so remove the 0. Again, what could be the possibilities for unit positions? Nothing but there is a possibilities of 1 2 3 4 5, nothing but 5 letters, nothing but 5 digits. Take 5. Let's block any number because we have used one number, so block any number. Let's say 1. Again for this position, what would be the possibilities? 2 3 4 5, so 4 numbers total. Take 4. Block any number because repetition is not allowed. Again for this position, how many numbers will be possible? 2 3 4, so 3. Okay, 5 4 3 1. Again go to this side, 2 and 4, so how many numbers? 2 ways. Let's block number 2 because a number should not, let's say we have utilized unit to positions as a 2, let's say block 2. So among 1 2 3 4 5 we have blocked the number 2. Okay, again what could be the possibilities for initial digit? I cannot use 0 as initial, so I can use only 1 3 4 5 because 2 is already used there itself. So 4 possibilities. Take 4. Let's say I have utilized the number 3, let's say block that one. Again what could be the possibilities for this position? I can use 0, I can use 1, I can use 4, I can use 5. So 4 possibilities. Let's say block any number. Let's say I'm going to block 0. Again, for this position, how many digits will be possible? I can use 1, I can use 4, I can use 5. 3 ways block this number. So take the numbers 5 into 4 into 3 into 1 are condition. So plus here 4 into 4 into 3 into 2. Nothing but 5 4s are 20, 20 into 3 is a 60, plus 4 4s are 16, 16 into 6 is nothing but 96. So 60 plus 96 is nothing but 60 plus 96, 656. So 156 ways we can take the number. And the last one for this kind of model, using 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, how many 4 digit can be formed which the number is greater than the 3000 without repetition. So if you see the condition, the number should be greater than 3000 without repetition. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, we need to form 4 digit number. Okay, the number will be greater than 3000 without repetition. So what could be the possibilities for this one? Most of the people will think that greater than 3000 means the initial digit we should not take 3, so they will take 6 and 7. That's a wrong process, because greater than 3000 means 3001 is also greater than 3000, 3002 is also greater than 3000. So nothing but the initial digit, there is a possibilities for 3. Okay, so how can we take that number, initial number? We can take 3 as well. So possibilities for the greater than 3000, so the initial digit can be possible 3 4 5 6 7, let's say. So 1 2 3 4 5 ways can be possible. Let's say I have utilized a number, block that number, because without repetition is not allowed, block that number. Again, for this number, what could be the possibilities? I can utilize this number for this position. I can use 1 2 4 5 6 7. How many numbers? 6 ways I can use. Let's say any number, block. Okay, I should not use again the same number, right? So block that one. 1 2 3 4 5, take 5, block any number. Again 1 2 3 4 is remaining 4 possibilities. So 5 into 6 into 5 into 4, this is the answer. So till now we have discussed the permutation and combination kind of problems, and the last kind of model, nothing but finding the rank of the word in a dictionary. So this is very rare, rarely they will ask from most of the competitive exams, but this is also one kind of important model in this permutations and combinations. So how to find a word of the rank? So what is the dictionary word? Nothing but, for example, if you take the word AA, so as per the dictionary, first which letter is coming? From A letter is coming. The next letter will be A and A. So this is rank 1 and this is rank 2. For example, if you say take the word A, let's say, what word will come first? A will come. Again A will come in dictionary. Again third A will come. So this is rank 1, this is rank 2, this is rank 3. So for triple A, the rank of triple A is nothing but 3. So how to find this kind of word ranking when the number of the word is very big? So there is 2 conditions. I think what repetition is not allowed in a word. There is one case. Again, second case will be repetition is allowed. So how to handle when the repetition is not allowed? How to handle the repetition is allowed? So let's see. First question, find the rank of the word mother in the dictionary. So mother, nothing but first take the word. This is a case repetition is not allowed. What is the repetition is not allowed? Nothing but each of the letter, any letter in the mother is not going to repeat. So how to handle these kind of scenarios? First, step 1, take the word mother, MOTHER, mother. Step 1, give the rank and top of each letter. Nothing but give the rank on top of each letter by using alphabetic order. nothing but alphabetic order we need to give. So among mother each letter, which letter will comes first by using alphabetic? A, B, C, D, E. E will come first. So give number 1 here. E, F, G, H. H will come next. So give number 2 here. Again M will come again, alphabetic order. Again A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, M, N, O. O will come next. Give 4 number. Again R will come. Finally T will come. So give number 6. We need to give the alphabetic order. First come, first service type. So we have completed step 1. Step 2. So go to each and every letter. Nothing but go to each and every letter. Try to count any rank below that current letter. Nothing but go to this letter, right side of the M letter. Nothing but go to this letter, right side of the letter. Any number of rank less than 3. So this is the rank of 3. Any letter rank of 3, nothing but 2, 1. So take the count 2. Okay. Again go to each letter. Any rank less than 4, yes, 2 is less than 4, 1 is less than 4. So count will be 2. Again go to each letter. Nothing but try to go right position. Any rank less than 6, yes, 2 is less than 6, 1 is less than 6, 5 is less than 6. So count will be 3. Again go to H, take the rank, go to right words. Any rank less than 2, yes, only 1, take 1. Again 1, go rank of 1, try to go right side. Any rank is less than 1, no, there is no rank because 5 is greater than 1. Again there is no word, right? 0. So second step is nothing but go to each letter rank and compare how many ranks are less than the current letter. I think how many ranks are less than current position and take the count. We need to take the count. Okay, completed. Again provide as 0 factorial, 1 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial, 4 factorial and 5 factorial. This is one shortcut. We need to provide 0 factorial from right to left. Again multiply 0 into 0 factorial, nothing but 0. 0 into 1 factorial, nothing but 0. 1 into 2 factorial, nothing but 2 factorial. 3 into 3 factorial. Again 2 into 4 factorial. 2 into 5 factorial. We need to add. For the final answer, again we need to add 1. This is the shortcut. Most of the people will forget last one. So take all the value and final value we need to add 1. So 2 into 5 factorial. 5 factorial nothing but 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 5 factorial is nothing but 120. Nothing but 5 4 the 20. 20 into 6 120. Again 4 factorial is nothing but 24. Again 3 factorial is nothing but 3 into 2 6. 2 factorial is nothing but 2. So 2 into 5 factorial. 5 factorial is nothing but 120. Plus 2 into 4 factorial. 4 factorial is nothing but 24. Plus 3 into 3 factorial, nothing but 6. Plus 2 factorial, nothing but 2. Again final answer we need to add 1. Do not forget the last one. We need to add final answer to the 1. Okay, 2 into 120 nothing but 240. Plus 2 into 24 nothing but 48. Again 6 3 is the 18 plus 2. The final answer we need to add 1. So 240, 240, 48, 18 plus 2 20. So 8 10 308. So 308 plus 1 we need to add plus 1. 308 plus 1 is nothing but 309. So the rank of the word mother is nothing but 309. This is the next model to find the ranking. So before we have discussed no letter is repeating, but in this model mission S is repeating 2 times, I is repeating 2 times. So whenever the finding the ranking when the letters are repeating, how to handle the same kind of finding ranking when the repetition of the letters is allowed. Nothing but This is the model, the repetition of letter in word. When the letter has repeat to one or more than one times, how to find the rank of the word. So same procedure, only small change. First take the letter, so step 1, first take the letter MISSION, mission. So first step 1, so give the rank on each of letter based on alphabetic order, so from MISSION, which letter will comes first? First letter will come I. A B C D E F G H I. First letter will come I. I is here and I is here, so give one on both I's. A B C D E F G H I J K L M. M will come next, so give the rank 2 on M. N, M, after M there is N, so give rank 3 on N. M N O P Q R S, so give 5 and 5, because 2S nothing but rank will be same, 5 and 5. So first step is completed. Second step, step 2, so go to each letter and find that any letter of right has lesser rank and take the count. So step 2 is nothing but go to each letter and try to find right of the word, nothing but is there any rank lesser than that word, nothing but 1 1, so take the count. 1 is less than 2, so how many ones? 1 and 1, 2 times is repeating, so take 2. Again, how many letters are repeating, nothing but, and step 3 is nothing but, and nothing but step 3 is nothing but divide the repetition of words, divide the repetition of the word, nothing but including current letter. Is there a right of the each letter? How many words will be repeating? M is repeating? No. I is repeating 2 times, so divide with 2 factorial. Okay. Again, S is repeating 2 times. Right of the M, S is repeating 2 times, so divide with 2 factorial. Again, go with letter. Try to find any letter lesser than the rank 1. No, 1 is lesser, so 0. Again, go to S. Try to find any letter will have the lesser rank than 5. Yes, 1 is less than 5, 4 is less than 5, 3 is less than 5. So total count will be 3. By including the current letter, how many letters will be repeating to the right of the letter? Nothing but including the current letter. S is repeating 2 times, so divide with 2 factorial. Again, I is repeating, O is repeating, N, so no letter is repeating now. That's it. 3 by 2 factorial. Again, go to the current letter. Try to find how many letters lesser than the rank 5. 1, 4, 3. So 3 letters will be lesser than the rank 5. By divide, take how many numbers of letters will be repeating with the current S, right side of the current right S. No letter is repeating, so leave it as it is. Again, go 1. What is the less rank than 1? There is no rank lesser than 1, so 0. Again, go. How many ranks will be lesser than 1? So lesser than 4, only rank 3. So take count 1 by, is there any repetition is allowed? No, there is no repetition, leave it as it is. So how many letters right of that? There is no letter right, so take 0. So nothing but 2 by 2 factorial into 2 factorial and 0 and 3 by 2 factorial, nothing but 3, 0, 1, 0, nothing but. Again, write 0 factorial from right to left, 1 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial, 4 factorial, 5 factorial, 6 factorial, each letter below that one, and multiply from right to left. 0 into 0 factorial is nothing but 0. 1 into 1 factorial is nothing but 1, 0 into 2 factorial is nothing but 0, 3 into 3 factorial is nothing but 3 into 3 factorial. Again 3 into by 2 factorial into 4 factorial, again 0 into something 0, again 2 by 2 factorial into 2 factorial into 6 factorial. Okay, add all the numbers, and finally we need to add plus 1. The final number we need to add plus 1. So do not forget, for any kind of finding rank, final answer we need to add plus 1. Okay, simplify this equation. We can write 2 by 2 factorial into 6 factorial, nothing but 2 by 2 into 2 into 6 factorial. 6 factorial can be write as a 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2. So 2 2s are 4. But 2 into 6 into 5 into 3 into 2. So 12, 5 3s are 15 into 2. So 30 into 12, 360. So for this answer nothing but 360. Again 3 by 2 factorial into 4 factorial. 3 by 2 factorial into 4 factorial is nothing but 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 2 factorial is nothing but 2 only. 2 ones are 2 ones are. Nothing but 4 into 9, 36. Plus this is gone, this is gone. 3 into 3 factorial. 3 into 3 factorial, nothing but 3 into 2. So 6 3s are 18. Plus this is completed. Take inside 1, and final answer we need to add 1. So if you take the sum of the entire thing, 360 plus 36 plus 19, nothing but 15, 4 5 1 415. 415 plus outside 1, nothing but, do not forget to add 1. So 416 is our answer. The final answer will be 416. The only thing we need to difference from the previous problem, first take up to step 2 as it is. Step 3 nothing but, if any letter is repeating with current position, nothing but, if you take M letter, the right side of M, how many letters are repeating? Nothing but M is repeating, no. I is repeating 2 times, so divide with the 2 factorial. S is repeating 2 times, so divide with 2 factorial. That's only the difference with the previous and current positions. So till now we have completed all the kind of models in permutations and combinations, and linear arrangements and circular arrangements is also one part in permutations and combination, but we will complete that particular session as a separate session. So we will make a separate kind of session, and we